Hello everybody. Hello, how y'all doing? In your neck of the woods, everything okay? Yeah. What up? Manners and respect. You know pretty? Yeah man. And your girl Debbie from down a yard. You? Yeah. May I tell you no one go on down a jam down here anytime I really know. The heat on. The heat is on. So, right here, so now, give them a shot on the table. Let them see how I look. Let them see how I look. Yeah? Straight up. May have is. Yeah? And may have her. Have is and hers. Yeah. So right here, so now, me going to line up our next little nice cool beverage, you know. Yeah. So just slow it down. Take it down slow with the heat, yeah. Yeah man. It's a power hour from West Indian Delight. See? Follow me now, man. Them say ladies before gents. So listen to me now. Have a red stripe light right here, so. I'ma have my jug with some crushed ice. Kind of crushy cracky. Yeah. I'm going to turn over my light. Whoops. In my jug. Yeah. Boom. Yeah. And we are going again. Yeah, watch how we do it down here. So when you take off your car, you go so. Boom. Make sure say your edges pretty. You take your thumb finger and you run around your edges. Yeah, that's how you do it. See? Yeah. We are going lull. Yep. And 2 drink me I go prepare, and 2 beverage me I prepare. I have some orange pineapple syrup right here, so. Yeah. I'm going to notch it up with a shot, or probably a shot or 2. Yup. Righty. I'll give it another little, not quite full. And we are look one little something. We are look one little flavor, you know. I show you what I go on. Because you never see what I go on, you must think of rare and tete. You don't soon see what I go on. Yup. We are going to store. You don't know me on the story, you know. And we have a Smirnoff vodka, black ice. Yeah. Yeah. But make sure you say no for the round here, so. Yeah. And we are going to touch him up with that shot tight. Yeah. And we are going to put touch ups more. Yup. Because we feel sexy today. So we are put our next chops. Yup. And we are going to start. And them say ladies before gents, you know. We are going to start. Yup. Now look about the ladies them first. And we are going to pour. Whoopsie-doo. We make little mess there, so but you know, don't know. We can't take care of them. They sitting there. They don't know if we sit a long time, sitting a long time. We're ready like that, you know, we have everything like that. So we make little mess and we take care of little mess. Yeah? Round here, so we have a piece of Julie mango. Yeah? We have a Julie mango on a little little toothpick. Aye, you have manners. Yeah. And we have a little piece of mint and we are going to garnish. Straight up. Yup. Hey, round the corner here, so we have one bad boy. He don't need no introduction, a worldwide boy. This boop. Yup. Yeah. In it. Rub around your edge. Seal it off, make sure everything protect. Yeah. And we are going to go so. Pure and nice. Like that. We are going to wait for him because he's supposed to come down. Aye, hello please. Hello please. Hello please. Know your status. Yup. Yeah. And me want the money that try coming to come. We are going to take one of our little straw. We are going to fix up. Yup. Yeah. Ladies and gent is an her. Yeah. We are waiting for the little bad boy to come. Hey, me a talk to you, you know. Me a talk. Yo. Yo. Wanna see this? Yeah. Wanna don't know it. Yeah. I'm gonna notch up a shot. Yeah. Yeah. You have to pause when you pull this. That's what I say. You have to pause. Yup. Give them a shot. You're going to put a shot. Whoopsie do. Yes, sir. And we are going to take with time. And we are going to pour. And we are going to pour. Yeah. And we are say, yo, come back right here, sir. We feel not. Yo, actually, they know we feel. We feel nice. Yeah, and we are going to pour. And we are going to pour. I don't need them this right. This I done. We don't need no presentation time right now. We done long time. Give them a shot. Or is it good? Give them a shot. Make them see when we say is and her. Little power hour beverage from West Indian Delights. Yeah. Go on in and watch way. The boy come up, yeah. A whole of a red stripe I want, you know. A whole of a red stripe. Yeah. Straight up. Straight up. I saw you know the real thing, you know. I saw you know the real thing. Yeah. Yeah? Yeah. So watch me now. From West Indian Delights to your delights. From my kitchen to yours. Cheers. All of the real big man them who have them wife, them ladies, and them woman. And remember me I tell you now, found on a recce plan. Cheers. Yeah man, cheers. And listen to me now. Them always say, girls, you can't do what the guys do and still be a lady. We can't drink beer with red label in it. Yeah, no, we can't drink beer. But we can drink light beer, notch it up with little pineapple, notch it up with little orange pineapple syrup, and we can put in a shot. A smirnoff black. Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, straight up. From my kitchen to yours. Cheers. Yeah, listen to me. If you know your man now recce plan. Cheers. Another one. Yeah. Cheers. May I go taste. Damn! My man now recce plan. Yeah. Straight up. It's good. It's good. Look here. Me can't tell you no. Me just can't say. But it's, listen to me. Hey. Damn. It's good. It's a shot. Yeah, man. From my kitchen to yours, I enjoy. Is an earth? Yeah. Man, them when I recce plan real big man, boom. Woman, them when have them man and them know say him na recce plan, are you the boom. Yeah, straight up. Subscribe to the channel. Aye. Thumbs up the Nahh recce plan video, yeah. That video you name Nahh recce plan. Thumbs up this video. Turn on your notifications. Hello, please. I need to hear some comments about the Nahh recce plan thing, yeah. Below. Yup. Yeah, man. One more for the record. Cheers. Enjoy. Listen to me. I'm a same one. Yeah, yo. You think I come for come rec plan? Me not rec no plan. I dey be from down a yard. What me say? Boop.